the budget? Ang tatapusin namin yung interpellations by Wednesday, pinakamatagal na Wednesday. And then, magkakaroon tayo ng second reading approval hopefully by Monday. They'll do all the amendments by the weekend. At tatapusin nila ng weekend ng amendments. Hopefully, second and third reading Monday na po next week. Para magkaroon na rin ng BICAM, ang House and Senate next week. And hopefully, we'll be able to ratify by Wednesday next week.
So, tapusin this week?
Yeah, tapusin po.
Third and final
Ilan lang naman ang naiwan eh.
Di ba 10 pa, sir?
Ilan lang naman ang naiwan. Naiwan is Public Works and Highways, and then Department of Tourism, NCIP, Department of Health, Department of Justice, naiwan na lang, Bureau of Immigration. Tapos na lang yung Department of Justice, Immigration na lang. Tsaka COMELEC. Yun na lang naiwan.
Clarify ko, sir. Next week, BICAM na. Matatapos this week,
We're targeting second and third reading because it's a certified measure. Second and third reading on Monday.
Monday
Then
ba?
BICAM, hopefully within the next 2 days. And hopefully ratification by Wednesday next week.